This week I'm showing you our Bot 3, also known as our Swiss Army knife. Why? Because you can use it for almost everything. Whether you love ICT strategies, trade news events, or prefer classic trend following, this bot adapts to you. Today I'll show you what's possible with Strategy 3. Let's get started. Strategy 3 is one of our 5 core strategies included in the premium package, and it's especially flexible. While the bot can now run fully automated, it was originally designed as a semi-automated system. Especially this year, with markets being extremely volatile, it really plays to its strengths. You can react spontaneously or automate your own ideas very precisely. You want pyramiding? No problem. Only one trade at a time? That's possible too. You need filters? He's got them. You want to set everything manually? Also no issue. You can tell him, only go long above a certain level or short below a certain level. Perfect, for example, for news trades. Just draw a range, and the bot will trade the breakout in your direction. Example 1. Trend trading. You spot a clear trend, for example using the super trend, EMA, or like here with the trend magic. Or you use your own analysis like the classic 1-2-3 structure. You choose your entry trigger yourself. You can set your stop loss either as a percentage of your account or at a fixed point on the chart. I often use the high or low of the last 100 minutes, which works great on the 1-minute chart. You can even combine a global percentage stop loss with an individual stop, which is especially useful after big news events when the price range of the last few minutes is very wide. If we look at the period from March 26th to April 1st, 2025 in the Nasdaq, we see some strong moves. With the magic trend filter, I can instantly recognize the direction. In the bot settings I choose, only short below the line, only long above it. At the same time I'm trailing the trades using the super trend. The result, 13% gain with just 4% drawdown in only 4 days. It worked even better from April 2nd to April 8th. The bot identified some long opportunities but made the majority of profits on the short side. Almost a 70% gain with just a 14% drawdown. Of course, for stock markets, it was not a pretty time, but panic selling creates strong opportunities for this strategy as long as you control your risk. Personally, I'm up 130% with this method since the beginning of the year, while my stock strategy is currently around -8%. Thanks to our chessboard strategy, the capital is still sensibly distributed. Next example. You don't want to work with indicators. You want to trade a resistance level. Let's say, the high from April 7th at 18,200 points. On April 8th, the level gets tested again, and that's your entry. The bot should only trade if the price stays below that level, otherwise, the resistance is broken. So we set the sell level at the high, with a target of 16,880, the next support. The bot only steps in once the entry is triggered and sells everything when either the target is hit or the limit is broken. In this case, it would have brought a 23% gain with 0 drawdown. Another example. You spot a rising 1-2-3 pattern and you want to trade the breakout. You simply select the last high as your trigger. Everything above it will be bought. You notice a strong imbalance at the top and plan to exit exactly there. Entry at the high of 17,300, take profit at the high from April 3rd at the fair value gap around 18,630. The result? An 8% gain in just 1 day without any drawdown. Phases like this are perfect for quick wins, but it's not always like that. You should carefully decide when you actively use bot 3. But the bot also comes with protection mechanisms. For example, the range filter, perfect for sideways phases. You can completely disable trading inside such zones or work with a wider spacing between trades. In MetaTrader 5, it might not look visually perfect, but you can immediately see where the good opportunities are. The filter is, of course, adjustable depending on how sensitive you want to work. Conclusion: no matter if you use ICT setups or prefer swing trading, this bot takes a lot of work off your shoulders. You simply set up your strategy and enter your key information. That's it. It's perfect for everyone who can't sit in front of the screen all day. If you're already a premium member, you know the bot. If not, now is the perfect time to get started. You'll find access in the top right corner or below the video. Important, this bot only works on MT5. TradingView unfortunately can't handle systems this complex. If you're interested in news trading, I've made a separate video about that too. You'll find it linked at the end of this video. Have fun testing.